Hello, good morning. You are welcome back to HAKASS Technology. Today, we are just going to learn about creating a drop-down list. Let's get on the machine and we work on that. But before we get on the machine to work on that, you see the subscribe button over there. You hit on it to subscribe to my channel so that you get more updates on Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. I'm having here a simple page and I want to create my drop-down list over here. So this is fresh page that I want to create my drop-down list. If you don't have Microsoft Excel installed on a machine, get it from the website. Download Microsoft Office and you get it in the form of package where we will have the Microsoft Excel, we have Word, we have also Project, Access, and all those packages in it. You subscribe to my channel as I said, and you get more videos, and also leave comments in the description below so that I'll record or I'll give you updates or I'll answer to your questions and many more. So let's get on the PC. Let's start something over here. So here I want to create a drop down list, and first of all, let me do some small formatting over here. So I'll format this cell to be, let's say, this color. Let me select this color. So this way I want my drop down list should come over here, something like this over here. So here I'll put, let's say, day on top. I'll hit my enter. I hit on enter. Something like that. Okay, so I'll come here to, I'll put in a mouse. And here to, I'll format this cell. So this, I just want to create two drop down lists. So, okay. So I'll come here and I'll format this cell too. I'll make it this color. I like this color very well. So, okay, let me format the cells again. And I'll highlight that. Now, let me go to the first one. I want to create a drop down list. So here, I'll select the list of items that I want to the last end. And I'll name it. I'll give it a name. Define name. You right click, you go to define name. Click on define name. The define name here, you see the name over here. So I can make it maybe hack. Let me give it a name like hack. When I'm done, then I'll come down to the button, OK button over here, and hit on it. Now, okay. Let me come to this section to the month. Let me highlight the month to December. Okay. Now right click on it, and I'll go to defining here. I'll say bus, something like that. Now hit on OK. So now I'm having hack and bus. The day for hack and the month for bus. When I'm done, I want it here. So let me go to the day. You go to data on the tab over here. You click on data. You go to data validation. Data validation. Okay, so now here you select. Come down here. Select list. Come here. Equal to. I want to format the day, so that will be hack as the name that I gave it over the hack. When I'm done, I'll come to the error alert. So here, I will show an error alert. So I'll say error. So let me specify or tell the person what he should do when he enters something wrong. So please select from the list below. I'll come back to the settings here. And I'll come and hit on OK. So let's see something about it. So when I click, select, okay, you see day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Sunday, something like that. So if I should enter anything over here, let's see the error alert. Now I'll hit on enter. It will tell me error. Please select from the list below. So it means I have to go down here and I'll press it to try again. So I'll come here and have to select. So we'll cancel. Come down here and select the day. Now let's go on to the month. Let me also put the drop down list for the month. So you hit on the month cell, you go back to data and data validation, and you come to this section, select list. Now that one was bus, so it's equal to BAS bus, the name I gave over there. I come to the error alert and say input input error. So this is the pop-up message. The message should be your selection is not correct, comma, please verify and hit verify. So let me put something over here. Okay. So I'll go back to the settings. Now go and hit on the OK. So let's see something over here. So let's see January, February, March, April, May. That. So if I should come and enter anything over here, and I'll hit on OK. Your selection is not correct. Please verify. So go to cancel. Then I have to select from the drop down list. See, it's working very, very nice. So when I'm done, I can lock the whole page. Here by going back to home tab. You can subscribe to the channel, and I've recorded a video on how to lock a page and how to lock specific cell in Microsoft Excel. So you click on this, say go to protection. As I said, the whole page is protected. So I click on OK. Now I want only this section to be edited. So I'll select this. Now go back to that page. Now unlock this page. I'll unlock these cells now. So now all the cells in this sheet is locked except the B9 and the B13. So when I'm done, the only thing I'll do is to set password, protect sheet. Set password, it means I don't want you to select lock cells. So I'll just highlight and I'll put my password over here. This is my password. This is my password. I'll hit on enter. So you see over here. So the person cannot select any cell in this sheet. Any cell in this sheet. So something like that here. You come here, you select. Come here too. Come here, select. See, it's working very, very nice. I hope you find this video useful. Leave your comment below, and then I'll answer to your comments, and I'll record new videos to your answers. Subscribe to my channel, and you get more updates on HAKASS technology, as well as you get more updates on Microsoft Excel. Thank you for watching. You're welcome. See you next time. Bye bye.